y'all, I am back and I can't wait to share with you my top 10 things from 10 different categories that I utilize on a daily basis that I think you'll like some of them yourself, and I would love to know what you think. So let's get started right now. Y'all, welcome back to Journey with Jackie. Forgive me for just putting up another video. Excuse me. I think I'm getting a little cold. But anyway, forgive me. I feel like rusty. I actually started the video and never pushed play. That's how rusty I am. But anyway, forgive me, you guys. I have so many videos I want to do for you guys. I don't know where these 2 weeks have gone, but I have like a list. So stay tuned, because I'm probably going to be like uploading stuff back to back because I'm like so excited, things I want to share with you. But I figured, Jackie, I got to start somewhere. So I'm just getting over this cold, I think it is. And I just wanted to I figured, okay, start somewhere. So I started off with my favorite 10 things that, if they don't become your favorite 10 things, I'm sure, you know, some of them would be some that you may want to try. So I thought I'm going to share with you what those are, and then I'll go do some other videos. So definitely subscribe. Follow me on Instagram with Journey with Jackie. Hit the bell notification, so as I load over the next week, I'm going to load several, so that way you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. So anyway, do that for me. So okay, so first thing, I'm going to start with my favorite hair product right now. And it is a hair serum strictly for shine. You guys know I'm like really finicky about things I put in my hair, like with scents and fragrances, like even like lipstick. Like I don't want anything to smell. The only thing I want to smell is my fragrance that I'm wearing for the day. So a hairstylist that I've been going to in Philadelphia came out with her own line called Queen Made, and you can order it online. I'll link everything below for you guys. And this is like her hair shine serum. It's lightweight, it's oil free, so it's strictly going to give you like a lightweight shine and still leaving your hair feeling light, or however you decide to style it. It's not going to change your hairstyle, and it's non-greasy or anything, and no fragrance. I absolutely love this. So congratulations, Queen. I love this product. I've told her about that. But anyway, so I wanted to share that with you. And if I didn't say, black owned product, black owned hairstylist who's doing a fantastic job. So gifted and talented. Another thing I want to share with you is, I want to share with you one of my favorite food items right now. I would preference by saying, if you're an ice cream lover like me and my family, who grew up basically eating ice cream every day, I realize I can't do that anymore, but the urge hasn't gone away. So I'm trying to find different things to be an alternative. I would say alternative. I'm going to preference. I didn't say replace. And that is, where have I been and not tried these things before? The little mochi things. They're really good. You know, if you're looking to have ice cream one day and you want something another day, it's a nice alternative with like half the calories. And then one goes a long way. I thought they were like some healthy thing, you know, they tasted really healthy with no taste, but they actually have flavor and they're pretty good, and they're nice and, you know, cold and refreshing, just to kind of give you a substitute, I guess you would say. So anyway, that is definitely one of my favorites. Oh, let me show you my quick outfit of the day. Remember when I got this sweatshirt? I had gotten it from the thrift store in New York City that I showed you guys. It was like all brand new stuff, and I got it for like, everything was like for $20. So I actually wore this, and I just paired it with an old pair of black legging sweatpants that I have, and I decided to like push up the front of the sweatshirt and kind of like give it a different look, and wore my my waist bag around my waist so it was hands-free, and then I just paired it with my knockoff Zara Bottega boot version because it's cold and rainy here today. I didn't want to mess up my real Bottegas, and so that was my quick outfit of the day. Okay, so next I want to share with you, just speaking with my outfits, I'll share with you what I have on my lip, and I just want my lips still to look natural but with a little hint of color. My favorite thing still that I have been wearing for years is the Lip Chics by Chantecaille. So I have like 6 or 7 of these, and then I'll mix it with Laura Mercier's sheer lipstick as well. So these are the 2 that I actually have one right now. So that is my lipstick. Now I'm going to share with you my favorite eye cream. I will preface by saying over the last month, at one point I ran out of this. And then at that point I just used like samples of some other like luxury eye creams that I had. And my wrinkles started to get like worse all of a sudden. I don't know what happened. And then I tried to try other expensive samples, like nothing was working. And so then I said, you know what? Go back and buy this. I preface by saying I held off as long as I could because of how expensive this is, but I would say it's worth it. After I got this back in the mail when I ordered it, my wrinkles went away within 3 days. So hands down, I've tried a lot of different brands, La Mer, Le Prayer, Chanel. I've tried a lot and none of them was working. And so I went back to, and Revive seems to be working for me. So I now know this is the eye cream that I'm going to have to stick with. It is a splurge, so, but I will say a little bit goes a long way. This is actually the night one. I didn't bring it in. And then I have the, so I have the night one. Bought that first. And then when my budget allowed, then I added the day cream. So I have the night, I have the day. And then there's one more I want to add to the collection, and that will complete the eye cream treatment. And that one is the eye firming one, because they had gave me a sample. And I was mixing a little bit with the day and the night to see if I noticed any difference. And I don't know if it was a big difference. I think these 2 were, you know, helping me the most. And I think the eye firming one is kind of like maybe like just give you an extra comfort level to the eye treatment. I'm going to buy it when my budget allows. I never really was watching like Netflix and stuff until like the pandemic. But one show that I came across, everybody knew about it but me. So I have 2 favorite shows that I watched. The one is a series called Billions. I'm trying to remember, is that on Netflix? Y'all, is that on Netflix or is that on demand? I don't remember. It may be on demand. But anyway, the show is called Billions. I love, 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 love. It's all around where is my favorite city. It's all about, it captures, you know, things that are happening in New York City, you know, where it's taped and all that wonderful stuff. But I love that show. So definitely check that out. Do on demand, watch them back to back to back, because the 2nd season just went off. So at least you'll have 2 seasons to watch. And oh, the other show that I watch on a weekly basis is none other than Queen Sugar, which comes on OWN. I don't even know what season Queen Sugar this is right now. This might be season 5. I don't know. But anyway, Queen Sugar is so, so, so good. You know, every week you're like, you know. But anyway, I love Queen Sugar. So the next category is my jewelry, and I'm wearing them, as I said, every day. And that is my little gold Huggies. I told you guys how I got these on the stand in New York City for $20. And I got them in gold and I got them in silver. I love, 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 love these things. So I either wear the gold or the silver every day. Ask anybody, probably sell like little Huggies and stuff. But anyway, I'm just really enjoying wearing them in replace of the diamond studs sometimes. So anyway, that is my favorite that I've been wearing more than anything. Let's see. Next, I want to share with you my favorite clothing thing that's perfect for like right now and going into the winter and the fall. Hold on. My favorite thing that I love wearing right now is vest. I do have a lot of vests. You guys know I'm a coat person and a vest person. But if I had to pick one right now, I would say vest. Vests are like so perfect for right now. For like all type of layering. On top of your coat, underneath your coat, with the sweater, with the long t-shirt, with the sweatshirt. vests are just so versatile. You know, you just don't have to wear them with one type of look. Definitely play with your vest. You know, go in your mirror and interchange with things sometimes. You really would be surprised how many looks that you can utilize when it comes to vests. So I just pulled these two, especially this one, because I think I'll just show you a clip of I wore this one day last week. and I just threw it on, you know, really casual, but it could just elevate a simple t-shirt or a sweatshirt or a long sleeve. You know, even if you're wearing like leggings or something so basic, you throw on a vest on top and it just kind of elevates the entire look. So but stay tuned, because I got something special I want to share with you guys when it comes to vests. So stay tuned, they're coming. All right, so that's that. I'll throw that over there. And what else? Okay, my favorite luxury go-to handbag, you probably can guess what this is, but I'm just being honest with you. Yes, I have others I could be wearing and utilizing, but I'm giving you my honest true experience, and not just because it's popular or what someone else is doing is popular. And that is my go-to bag right now still has been the Fendi Crossbody bag. Number one, because it still gives me hands-free. The size is perfect. They do make a size up in this one. This is a small camera bag, and then there is a larger size, but so not will it be just larger, width is going to be deeper. This one does fit my cell phone. You know, I'm just like very careful when I put it in there. It will fit my wallet. And it will fit my little coin purse. I mean, and it'll fit my key, and it'll fit my AirPods just fine. So, I mean, you really could just get away with the small, but if you feel like you want to have extra space just to be on the safe side, if you need to put something else in there, then you may want to do this the medium size. But for me, I got the small, and it seems to be working just fine. I absolutely love it. So, you know, and I will tell you my other go-to. So my go-to every day, honestly, is either that or it's this. So this is the LV19, which you guys have seen me carry before. But honestly, this is what I carried. You know, this goes with me every day, regardless if I'm carrying this or anything else. Because if not, then it just stays in the car if I'm carrying this or something else. Any questions about them, though? Definitely shoot me the questions below. I would love to know, you know, if you have any questions. I keep like thinking about the larger Fendi bag in this size. If you have the medium one, you know, leave comments below if you like the medium. Do you recommend the medium? Or do you wish it was smaller? If you have the medium, let me know. Let's see. Okay, what else? I feel like I have some more things I want to share with you. My top 10, because I think I only did like 8. I did my handbag, my hair. Oh, something else I want to share with you guys is people ask me, like, you know, where do you buy things? My 2 online shopping sites, luxury, I would say, for pre-owned, I would say is, I think, hands down, Real, because of the I consign with Real. I buy from Real. They make everything like really easy. Shipping is pretty good, and the selection is real good. So I think that's where I do most of my pre-owned luxury shopping online. And then if I buy anything brand new, the one that I've been gravitating towards mostly now, believe it or not, is Satire. And I'll spell it below. And I only came across this one last year because when I had bought some sandals when I was on a hunt, and this site popped up. But other than that, I had not heard of them before. But I also find that some of the things that I have that I'm watching right now or following, they have them priced on sale before all the other luxury sites have theirs. So that's why I'm going to suggest Satire right now, because there's a pair of sandals that I'm looking at, and they're the only ones that have them marked down, where everybody else still has them marked as full price. I think my last thing is my favorite perfume. And this is one of a recent purchase that I've shared with you guys, but I will say over the last 2 months, it's definitely be one that I've been wearing the most right now. And that is the one by Celine called Dance Paris. And so once again, it's just a nice, I'm not even going to try to smell it because of me recovering from this cold right now. But it's like a nice, like soft day scent, like a little powdery, a little musk. Here you go. A little powder, a little musk, and a little fresh. If you put it all together, like that's what how I would describe this fragrance. You can wear it day or night, but I just think it's like a go-to. You actually can probably wear it all year long, so it's not like heavy, like that's just meant for the winter. I personally think it would be an all year around fragrance for me. It just happened to be one that I purchased in the fall. But I'm absolutely loving this fragrance, and I've been wearing this one the most. So I would say, y'all, this wraps up my top 10. Have you subscribed yet? Don't leave me until you do, because I can't wait to share with you the other videos that I have coming that you're probably going to be seeing back to back to back. So watch them back to back to back to back. I would love your comments. And if I can do a video that you think would truly be helpful for you and to you, please let me know. I love suggestions. I get really excited when people give me different ideas, especially if you take me outside of my box or outside of my comfort zone. I love a challenge that way too. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you, love you. Thank you for the thumbs up, likes, comments, whatever you want to do. I am super, super appreciative. Love you guys. See you soon.